In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the store currency in Squarespace, a vital step when setting up your online store to suit your location and customers' needs. Setting the correct currency not only helps in accurate pricing, but also enhances the shopping experience for international customers. So let's dive right in. First, open up your Squarespace home dashboard. This is the main hub where you can access all the essential tools to manage your website. You'll be spending a lot of time here, so it's good to get familiar with where things are. Now, once you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the top navigation area. Here, you'll find a search bar. Click on that search bar. This is a handy feature when you need to locate specific settings or pages, saving you time from having to navigate through multiple menus. Next, type in Payments into the search bar. As you type, you'll notice a drop-down of suggestions or direct links to sections related to payments. It's a straightforward process, but if you're typing and nothing's coming up, ensure that you're in the correct section of your dashboard, not the live view of your site. Once you've typed in Payments, you should see an option labeled Payments in the dropdown. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will take you into the Payments settings where you can control all aspects related to financial transactions on your site. After you've arrived in the Payments area, the next step is to look for the section titled Store Currency. This option allows you to set the currency that your store will use as its default. Click on Store Currency to proceed. With the Store Currency page now open, locate the specific control labeled Currency. Clicking on this will present you with a list of available currencies. Depending on where you're based, you might choose a common currency like USD, Euro, or something specific to your country. Remember, the right currency helps ensure a smoother transaction process for your customers. Once you've selected your desired currency from the list, it's crucial to save these changes. You'll see a Save button, typically located at the bottom or top of the page. Click Save to apply your changes. This step is essential because if you leave the page without saving, your changes won't take effect and you'll need to start over. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the store currency in Squarespace. Remember, setting this correctly is key for accurate pricing and global customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos to continue enhancing your Squarespace skills.